Yo, 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 what is going on, everyone? Today we are at an undisclosed location with the 12 o'clock boys. We're going to be doing some wheelies and doing some trail riding, so let's see where it goes. And we got Lucky over here with his Mario bike. Yo, these graphics are pretty sick, dude. Did you like Mario growing up? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. He told me he was good at wheelies. I didn't think he was this good, though. What? That brake control is insane. Is he gonna hit this turn? Oh, oh, oh. He's turning. Oh, shit. Power wheelie, hell nah. Oh, shit. What? Bro, surfing. They make it look so damn easy, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. This is where we show up. Bro, my bike is getting 12 o'clock so fucking hard right now. What? What? My bike is never gonna see that shit from me. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Dude, we're like straight up not even trying. He's trash talking. You got me in the streets, but you ain't touching me off road, buddy. Oh, we got a whole squad coming now. Yo, what's good? Woo! How many of them are there, bro? Yeah, we got the off-road squad up in here. Honda. What is that? Polaris? No, Yamaha. Hell nah. Okay. Scraping his shoe. He's getting a little too close. Yeah, buddy. This man is dancing on his bike. Let's get it. Oh, shit. All right, so we're on some trails now, and I'm really glad. Because, like, this is really mainly what I came to do. I did want to see some of the 12 o'clock action, but, you know, I'm a moto guy. I don't like killing my rear tire, so I didn't want to be doing that kind of stuff for too long. But it was really cool to see that. So, like, I'm glad I got to witness, like, that firsthand. Those guys, man, they know how to wheelie. Whoa, chill out, bro. Y'all play too much, bro. Yeah, they're just straight vibing. Right. Oh, okay. These trails are actually pretty fun. I'm right behind you. Oh my God. Oh my God. That felt amazing. Cooled my bike off quite a bit and gave her a good bath. Oh, whoa, what's this? Oh, hell yeah, dude. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! Hey, wait, hold on. No! I done f***ed my plug. Oh shit. All right, so I fouled my plug because I mixed oil and I didn't shake it hard enough. I'm riding one of the bikes and they're pushing my bike. One guy is kicking it. He's kicking my exhaust like that. I told them they didn't have to stop for me, but they insisted on bringing my bike back. So shout out to them for being cool and going out of their way to help me so much. Yeah, buddy! Yes, sir! Look at what these guys are doing. Look at how much effort they're putting so that I could get home safe, bro. They did not have to do this shit, man. Like, look at him, look. He's kicking my bike. My bike won't start. I'm a I didn't mix the gas right. Appreciate y'all so much. Sorry that I'm a idiot. Bro, I owe y'all big time. Thanks so much, man. I'm so sorry about that.